Ever wondered who's behind the scenes turning AI models into real-world products? Meet the AI Technical Program Manager, the vital bridge between machine learning magic and true market-ready innovation. An AI Technical Program Manager, or AI TPM, isn't your regular PM. They understand AI deeply and know how to ship products. Think of them as part translator, part strategist, part builder. What makes them different? They have a deep understanding of machine learning and AI workflows. They're great at aligning product goals with technical constraints, and they manage cross-functional teams like data science, engineering, design, and legal. So what does a day in the life look like for a team building cutting-edge tech products? Let's take a closer look at how their day typically unfolds, from the first coffee to the last meeting. The morning kicks off with a daily stand-up, where the machine learning and back-end teams gather to align on priorities. They discuss what's blocking progress, whether it's a tricky bug, a model that needs retraining, or a deployment issue that popped up overnight. It's a fast-paced, collaborative start that sets the tone for the rest of the day. By midday, the focus shifts to syncing with stakeholders from different departments. The team dives into analyzing data quality issues, evaluating key performance metrics, and brainstorming solutions. There's also close collaboration with the UX team, mapping out user flows and refining the product experience to make sure it's intuitive and effective for end users. In the afternoon, attention turns to reviewing the latest experiments and A/B test results. The team gathers around dashboards, interpreting what worked and what didn't, and then uses those insights to update the product roadmap. They plan future iterations, always looking for ways to improve and innovate. Throughout the day, tough decisions are made. The team constantly weighs trade-offs. Is this model accurate enough to launch? Is the data clean and reliable? Will the system scale as more users come on board? Every choice shapes the product's future, making each day both challenging and rewarding. To truly thrive in this role, you need a unique blend of skills that go beyond the basics. It's not just about knowing the right tools, it's about how you use them and how you think. First, let's talk about tech fluency. You really have to understand the entire machine learning lifecycle, from gathering and preparing data to training models to deploying them in real-world environments. It's about seeing the big picture and knowing how each step connects. And you should be comfortable with hands-on tools like Python for coding, SQL for data manipulation, and MLOps platforms for scaling and managing models, whether that's Vertex AI, AWS SageMaker, or other cloud solutions. Being adaptable with new technologies is a huge plus. Next, product thinking is absolutely key. It's about understanding the why behind what you build, not just the how. You'll need to define clear success metrics, measure impact, and honestly, balance user needs against what's actually feasible for your team and business. Prioritization and empathy are essential here. Communication is another big one. You'll be working with people from all kinds of backgrounds, so you need to make complex ideas accessible. You have to translate machine learning complexity into business language, align cross-functional teams, and make sure everyone is on the same page. Building trust and clarity is crucial. And finally, ethical awareness. You need to think deeply about bias, privacy, and fairness in every decision. Responsible AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a responsibility. Always ask yourself, should we build this? Not just, can we? The best professionals are those who combine technical expertise with thoughtful judgment and a strong ethical compass. Let's look at where AI technical program managers make real impact. At Spotify, for instance, when it comes to recommender system tweaks, the TPM drives prioritization between performance and diversity. Over at Tesla, for autonomous driving features, the TPM aligns computer vision teams with safety and legal teams. And in healthcare AI, especially when diagnosing from scans, the TPM ensures model explainability and compliance with HIPAA. Want to become an AI technical program manager? It's an exciting, fast-growing field that sits at the intersection of technology, business, and innovation. Whether you're just starting out or looking to pivot your career, there's a clear path you can follow to break into this role. Here's how you can get started and set yourself up for success as an AI TPM. First, focus on learning the foundations, core AI concepts, supervised and unsupervised learning, natural language processing, and model evaluation. Take online courses, Read books and follow industry leaders to build a strong knowledge base. Next, get hands-on experience. Build your own side projects. Contribute to open-source AI initiatives, or participate in online competitions. These practical experiences will help you apply what you've learned and stand out to employers. Collaborate with machine learning engineers, join AI hackathons, and work on cross-functional teams to develop your technical and communication skills. Third, master the essential tools. Learn data analysis with SQL and Python, and get comfortable with data visualization platforms to interpret results and communicate insights. Explore popular machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, and understand how to use them to build and deploy models in real-world scenarios. Fourth, demonstrate your impact. Document your projects, share your results, and show how you've balanced technical requirements with user needs and business goals. Highlight experiences where you've worked closely with both engineers and stakeholders, and emphasize your ability to translate complex technical concepts into actionable business strategies. Frame your experience around measurable outcomes and the value you've delivered. If you're coming from an engineering background, that's a huge plus. If you're coming from program management, your skills are just as valuable. Both paths bring unique strengths to the table. Ultimately, it's all about showing you can operate at the intersection of technology, business, and user experience, driving innovation and delivering real impact as an AI technical program manager. AI is changing the world, and AI technical program managers are the ones shaping how that change happens. If you love solving hard problems and making AI real, this just might be your path. Want more videos like this? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.